Imagine a life with all these food wastes. A bit messy, perhaps. We do need something for these. And this. And this. And this. Americans waste over more than 100 million tons of food every year. Wasting food has a big impact on climate change, as most of it ends up in landfill sites where it rots and releases methane into the environment. The best we can do with our food waste is enjoy it and recycle through the technology called Reencle. Reencle is a perfect home appliance that quickly transforms food waste into a natural fertilizer using microorganisms while eliminating odors. In only a few hours, its microorganism technology reduces your waste volume by nearly 90%, reducing the food waste in the most natural way possible. It is the most convenient way to handle food waste on the go, making food waste into reusable resources. A little machine with the ambition to phase out the food waste problem in the world. Reencle.